You already know what time it is. Cruising through life on this great, beautiful day outside. Well, it's kind of rainy right now, but I finally got some parts for the Camaro. It's been a long time coming, but it's a perfect way to start off the build, really. I did front splitter, but time to do something for the back, you know what I'm saying? So I got a full catback exhaust and the new rear diffuser slash valance for the car also. Just like the ZL1s, a little bit more aggressive. But the full catback exhaust is from MBRP, and it's the race catback exhaust, quad tips. I already had like dual tips, so that's why I got the new diffuser, so quad tips. But on this part of the video, it'll be two parts. So I'll do how to install a valance on the Camaro. But on the second part, I'll do like a basic review of MBRP exhaust and stuff, and how it basically sounds and stuff. So let's get started. Crack this box open. Okay, so this how the rear valance look. Show you better. See, quad tips. And be a different conversion. Right now, I got just the dual tips, so it should be easy to install. Should take me about like 40 some minutes or something, maybe less, hopefully. But I'll take those markers out and stuff and convert them over. But I know it's 3 bolts underneath there, but I'm gonna take the bumper off, then do install. People say that's easier and stuff, so hopefully so. And I'll do some little tutorial. All right, guys, so I'm basically almost halfway done. So what you have to do on each side, remove these screws. It's like a hex shape, and also it's 7mm for like the bolts and stuff that go underneath here. But anyway, there's 3 bolts, one right here, right here, right here, and up here. Once you remove that, push this panel back, and you see you have to take out these 2 modules right here, and that's for like the bumper. Just because when you remove the bumper, you don't want the wires to get caught. Well, these connectors right here. So it's like you got pins in it, and you are able to push them back and pull them out. So not too bad. Right now I'm probably like 15 minutes in, so I'm moving pretty good. There's 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, and 3. Well, 4 and 5. It's another guy get right here. But you can use a 7mm, and it works perfectly fine. But also you gotta make sure you get this bolt right here to take this off. These bolts right here connect to the shield guard right here. But pretty simple. And also you got 2 bolts that connect to the valance itself, right there, right there. So in total, it's it's good many bolts, but it doesn't take long to do, especially you got a ratchet. Let's remove the rear bumper. That's too bad. But I took this headlight off. This one had attached by 3 screws. See 2 of the holes right there, and 1 hole's right in back there. It's pretty simple. This is so I can take these tabs off. Okay, they go in the opposite direction, so you have to. I use a screwdriver, push them down and pull up. On the other side, use yank it back and pull. So I'm going to start taking this apart and put the new valance on. Dope, people. Cool. All right, you guys. So right now, I'm about to get the exhaust put on at Troy's Mufflers in Anderson, South Carolina. They are definitely the best exhaust people in South Carolina, or like from what I've seen and from my friend's car stuff. Quality stuff. Especially he make all custom exhaust also, but I did get MBRP just because that's all I knew, and I didn't know they make exhaust too, but it's whatever. But this car about to sell. Beautiful, people. Beautiful. Cause it's a full 3-inch exhaust after the secondary cats, and also with 4-inch tips. It's like an X pipe. It's an X pipe in the middle and stuff. I'll show you a picture of it. But also, hopefully, they'll call me out so I can look underneath the car and I can record it for y'all. I can show y'all how the car sitting outside.
Yeah, move the car.
Well, they moved the car, so that means if I get work done, and yes, go. I kept the secondary cats and stuff, but it looks really nice. And this is the new diffuser I got. Beautiful. will admit it will look pretty dope. It was bad, but no. What's up, you guys? So this also is put on right now. It's sounding pretty good. Just like how to show you with a startup just now. It's sort of like a cold start, but right now we'll do a little bit of revs and lay here like the back pocket. That thing pristine, very pristine. And also I want y'all to do at least a flyby or two, and that'd be this video of me like putting this also on. I'm pretty sure gonna have at least of me taking the bumper off and everything else, and so I put that diffuser on. So yeah, like, y'all about to love this. Listen.